renewable and non-renewable resources. Ecosystem act as resource producers and processors. Solar energy is the main driving force of ecological systems, providing energy for the growth of plants in forest, grasslands, and aquatic ecosystems. A forest recycles its plant materials slowly by continuously returning its dead material, leaves, branches, etc. to the soil. Grasslands recycle material much faster than forest as the grass dries up after the rains or over every year. All the aquatic ecosystems are also solar energy dependent and have cycles of growth. When plant life spreads and aquatic animals breed, the sun also drives the water cycle. Our food comes from both natural and agricultural ecosystems. Traditional agricultural ecosystems that dependent on rainfall have been modified in recent times to produce more and more food by the addition of extra chemicals. And water from irrigation systems, but are still dependent on solar energy for the growth of crops. Moreover, modern agriculture creates a variety of environmental problems which ultimately lead to the formation of unproductive land. These include irrigation, which lead to the development of saline soil, and the use of artificial fertilizers eventually ruin soil quality. Pesticides, which are a health hazards for humans as well as destroying components vital to the long-term health of agricultural ecosystem. To manufacturer consumer products, industry require raw materials from nature, including water, minerals, and power. During the manufacturing process, the gases, chemicals, and waste products pollute our environment unless the industry is carefully managed to clean up this mess. Thank you. Have a nice day.